What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Young Garlic, aka Arlie, aka Young Garlic. Said that backwards this time. If you hear my dog in the background, he is not in distress. My girlfriend put him in the office. She had to leave the house, so I'm watching him. He's a mama's boy. He's a big mama's boy. But anyways, before we get started, as always, please check out the links below. That's links to all of our socials. Please come like us on those or follow us on those. Drop some likes on our content. We put out. We've been getting better at putting content out. A lot of information, stuff like that, highlights, trading ideas, all that good stuff. Check our Discord out. We live trade, do live analysis daily. I think we called out a $600 banger today that happened in like 10 minutes on Beyond Meat. Riley had some really good callouts today. I know Chaos Options had some really good callouts today as well. Big Dog had some good callouts. So we have some really good people in there who know what they're doing. So please come check them out. As for me, we struggled again today, down $50. And I'm gonna really push tackling what I'm doing wrong. We'll go through the day real quick and kind of talk about what we're doing wrong and what we need to fix. Able to trade more today. Not bad today. I mean, entries were there. I think I kind of revenge traded at the end of the day. I'm still just seeing old habits kind of rear their head. It's kind of weird, but we'll talk about it. We'll see what we're doing wrong. Traded Snap today. Snap and Roblox. Took our first trade at 940. We longed at 940. So we came up, kind of seeing some upper wicks here. I was thinking we might break through this bullish pivot area. Again, this is an indicator that I've been using to kind of help get an idea of where levels are and stuff like that. That we have designed. Shout out Great Blue Trades. Actually, he designed it, but he's a part of Arcane, so we designed it. And this is kind of what I've been using. But I entered at 940 and exited at 1003. So right here, all right, we kind of failed to make a higher high here. $10 loss in this trade, not terrible. Entry was there, pretty good entry. If we look at the 1 minute, I think this is a good entry on this play. Let's see. Yeah, so 940, good entry, right? I'm liking these lower wicks. Looks like we're starting to kind of reject some selling here. Bull volume's there, right? A little bit of an anomaly here. Buyers are buying us up. Could have sold here for a profit, but I wanted to see if we would make a higher high, but we didn't, and ended up selling over here. So thesis was there, got out when I needed to, all that good stuff. Ended up selling my swing today. I know it talked about taking a swing, but we broke 28, right? So I sold. I think I sold it like 10-15, so over here. Once we kind of confirmed a breakthrough through this bearish pivot area. But anyways, I shorted at 1010. So took this short in this area, right? Once we kind of broke through this low. Good entry here, really nice trade. Could have held this one all day. I ended up selling this one at 1017 for a $15 gain. All right, so right here, just wanted to take any gains. Could have waited and seen this, but it's been weird. I've been not taking profits too fast, or not taking them fast enough. Then I've been holding my losers too long. So I kind of went against risk today. Kind of went against the system, went against the plan, and we kind of paid the price for it. So that's something that I'm just going to continue talking about as we go through, trying to identify things we're doing wrong. And then I entered another short at 1020. So right here, right, we're rejecting here, and then exited this at 1030. So over on this candle, right. So this was a nice play. I think this was $12. So we were up green on the day. And then I bought a call at 1036 on this. So I saw this candle print, right? We got some nice bull volume. Saw this, and then I exited over. Where is it at? Let's see. See, this is one of the bigger losses. This is $20 loss for us. Exited at 1052. So I should have cut this the second we broke here. I need to just be more strict. And this is something I've always struggled with. I don't know. I feel like it's just me playing tricks on myself. It's just something as a new trader I've always struggled with, and I feel like new traders, it's something we have to grasp and understand, is cutting when it's gone. I had two back-to-back good trades, and I don't know if it's me being overconfident and negating the system because the entries on our system are working, right? We're getting two really nice plays. If I would have held those shorts all day, I mean, I would have made big today. Right? I would have been in the money on one by 50 cents, and in the money on another by $1. Um, but I just didn't, and this is something I'm struggling with, and I don't know if it's a small account psychology thing because I only get one contract at a time, but regardless, I need to stop. I need to figure it out and figure out what I can do to fix it because I don't realize until the end of the day that it's a $5 loss versus a $20 loss. Um, it's just, I don't know, man. I need to get the shit tattooed on my arm, the risk management rules. It sucks. And it sucks because I'm doing it to myself. I'm shooting myself in the foot, and I'm not mad about it. I don't get mad at this stuff. I want to be super good at it. I was talking to Big Dog today, and I was just, I reach out to Big Dog and see if he wants to sit down, and just talk about just some of his stuff he looks at in trading, and just pick his brain. I'm trying to soak up any information I can from people because as a new trader, it's what we got to do. Excuse me. But I'm not struggling. We're still profitable, right? Still up from 80 to 200, but I'm just making it so hard for no reason. These entries were not bad, right? I mean, this long wasn't a bad thought, right? I just, I don't know, man. It's just something I've been fighting with, and I will probably continue to fight with it until I just eventually just say I've had enough, and I need to make that soon. Um, but yeah, so $20 loss on this, and then I traded Roblox long here to, what was this, 1045. All right, long Roblox at 1045. So not a bad trade. Took it on this candle. I was actually up pretty good on this trade at one point today, but I just figured it's gonna keep going up, right? Well, it doesn't always work like that, and I gotta stop doing this to myself and just start taking profits. But I'll learn my lesson. I better. Entered it here in 1045, right? I was green through all this. I was actually this is kind of why I thought we were gonna keep going up because it's a higher high, and we're kind of doing this action. But even this is a bearish channel. So it was like looking back on this stuff, it's like I can color commentate and look back and be like, damn, like everything makes sense. But the second I'm into a trade, I gotta get out of my head. And this was a $25 loss. Bad loss for us. Didn't sell until down here. Alright. Just killing myself, man. For no reason. And I did size down, like these are all smaller size plays, but the entries are good. This was a great entry on this. Alright, like higher high here, we end up getting a nice 50-cent move, good move on premiums. I just said, no, we're gonna keep going. I'm just gonna stay in and be hard-headed. I can't tell if it's me just overthinking or me having one contract at a time and wanting it to work out so bad that I just negate risk management. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna get there. I 100% believe it. Sometimes I do doubt myself, but I only doubt myself because I've grown up knowing nothing but success. But it's also because of how hard I worked. Once I set my mind to something, I don't fail. And I wouldn't say we're failing right now. I would say that we're growing every single day, right? Every single day we're closer to where we want to be, and we just gotta keep looking at it that way and staying positive. You know, it's hard for me to come in and make these videos when I know I've had a bad day, only because I know what I did wrong before I even get done with the trading day. So still green on the week. We're still gonna get to where we're at. Still gonna keep building this port little by little, right? And I think trading with a $300 port, if we can learn to be profitable in this, when we start generating real capital, we'll be hella good. Because this is hard, man. This is hard stuff. But it is what it is. This is, I mean, we're not gonna get there just by. It's not gonna be easy. They say trading is one of the hardest things to do, but we're gonna get there. All right, I'm not scared of anything. I'm not scared of something being hard. All right, if it's worth it, it's gonna be hard. So I think I need to stop being hard on myself though. I think we have come a long way. My entries are there. I think that my losses are making me feel like I'm not trading well, but that's literally because of me being stubborn and not wanting to take my profits, right? So, um, I want to sit here and say I'm really going to try to work on it because I said that last week and I'm back doing the same shit. And I think there's like a new trader, it's just discipline. Um, Trading next week, contracts tomorrow. It's gonna be more expensive. Um, let's look at this on the 5 minute, man. I need to just. Someone loaded here. Someone loaded here. Someone loaded here. I need to just. I don't. We're gonna get there, boys and girls. We're gonna get there. Like this would have been a nice area to see that where this should be a buy because that's a dollar move right there. But like I said, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen tomorrow. But we're gonna make it. I think I'm going to maybe. God, man, I want to sit here and say I'm gonna work on risk management, but I've let myself down by already saying that and then not sticking to it. So I'm going to push risk management. I'm going to push taking profits. I think if I see 10%, I might just get out. And or move a stop up to like 8% and just if I get stopped out and move up, whatever, I got green. I need to stop letting green moves go red. That's what killed me today. I would have been up today. So let's stop making green moves go red. Move a stop loss up as we go up. Just gonna work on it. Just gonna keep working on it. Gonna push that in my head. Maybe I'll set alarms throughout the day or something. Every 5 minutes, risk management, risk management. I don't know, something. I'm gonna try to come up with a way to really work on my mental and take my profits and get the hell out. Like just run. This has been a nice little breakdown to play. But we're not gonna get to where we are if we keep shooting ourselves in the foot every week. You know, we're moving sideways, right? We started good, now we're moving sideways. And it's hard to see people printing when we're not, and that's something I got to stop doing too, is comparing myself to others because everyone's journey is different. But we'll get there. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone's trading well. I hope everyone has learned risk management better than I have because I've struggled with it. I've always struggled with it. I think I'm trying to push the gas too hard. I always have been that way instead of just letting it happen. Yeah, so maybe I'll just need to man up and try to you know, just really commit to the risk management side of things. Treat it like a business. I guess I'm just scared that I'm gonna miss out on the gains, right? Like I think I've never really hit big plays or really made big gains on anything. I've had a few good plays, a few couple $100% runners, but they're always runners, right? So I don't know, just going to kind of stick to what I'm doing, maybe write up some rules. I wrote up some rules and I need to start looking at them every morning, reminding myself of all the rules. All right, because our entries aren't bad. The thesis is there. It's just either works out or it doesn't, and I need to respect when it doesn't, respect when it does, and take what I can and get out. But I don't know. We're gonna work on it. I'm gonna start trying to think about that in my head. Just make it a habit of thinking risk management every time I trade. And I think it'll all come together. I think it's gonna come together for us. We just gotta keep going, right? I'm not discouraged in the slightest. You know, I get disappointed when I let myself down by doing stuff I know that I'm doing wrong, but I'm not discouraged. I know I'm going to get there. I have a really good support system behind me. Shout out my girlfriend. Love her always. She supports me really well. Always has my back. Always tells me I'm going to get there. And then shout out Riley and Big Dog, Armand, Drew, all these guys, and everyone just kind of helping us along the way. And shout out you guys. All right, your feedback and everything means the world. Y'all don't really understand how much it means to me, when I get to see that stuff, it makes me realize what I'm doing is good, just not just for me, but for everybody. So yeah, entries aren't bad. Just gotta take green where we see it. Stop letting shit go green to red, and I think we'll be fine. I think it's as simple as that. So, um, but yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me on Discord, on YouTube, whatever you want to do. Drop some comments below. Links to all our socials are all below. Please come follow us on those. Shameless plug time as always. My Weeble is down below. If you want to trade brokers, you're new to trading, want to swap brokers, Weeble's commission free. Hell, you don't even have to trade on Weeble if you don't want to. It will just help me to, click that referral link, man. Make you an account and then delete that son of a gun. All right, help me out. Let's get this account going. But I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. Um, gonna see if we can keep improving. I think we will. We just gotta tackle our risk and tackle our psychology. Entries are there. We're getting better on those. We just gotta, I don't know, just gotta keep going. But love you guys. Please, y'all have a good evening, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.